So we will make it from this lotte choco pie box. My mouth is watering. It's so delicious. Oh, let's start. Hello guys, welcome back in Creative Attack. So today we are making a project for Environment Day. And happy World Environment Day to you. To make a green beautiful platform, we will have to cover this page like this. So I have covered it from both, all the sides. So if you hadn't subscribed yet, so this is the right time to subscribe. And don't forget to like, share and hit the bell icon. Bye.